Hi, my name is Vicky and I'm a speech and language therapist, and today we're going to have a little chat about readiness for online learning, and we're going to suggest some tips and tricks that mean that you can make some really small changes but potentially have a really big impact. And today with me I have Mikaela, who is an occupational therapist, and she will be talking to us about occupational therapy related tips like posture, movement breaks, and other things that we can do to make online learning a bit easier. Right, so Mikaela, obviously with the pandemic and the onset of a lot of online schooling and also online therapy for us, there have been a lot of changes around how even adults operate at home. And I think there's been a lot of talk about, like how to make your home environment comfortable, how to set up your home office. But do you think that the home environment or learning environment for children can often be a bit of a second consideration?
Yeah, absolutely. Especially at the moment, as we have so many families that have not only mum and dad working from home, but sometimes up to 4 to 5 kids also trying to work from home. And I think thinking about our environment is probably one of the key things in terms of being able to attend to the task at hand.
Yeah.
Because if you're trying to work within a kitchen, in mum's busy cooking, you're going to be distracted by all the different sights and sounds and everything like that. So it's really, really important to think about how you set up the home environment and that specific designated working environment. Definitely.
Agreed. And so I think the first point actually that we have is about the environment. So I think we all know we work better when there are no distractions, when it's a quieter environment. We don't like it when people disturb us during meetings. And the same can sort of be said for children. And of course, quite a lot of children, if they're not old enough, will need adult support. So there will be people around, but it's always a good idea to find a quiet corner of the house where they could potentially be facing a wall or close to a window, where they're not looking out at the rest of the household and getting distracted by the things that other people are doing, if, an individual room is not possible. So that's one of the tips. And I think another thing that's pretty big as well is about lighting. Have you noticed that?
Absolutely. I think being near a window like I am today definitely changes my mood, definitely changes my ability to sort of focus and have that sort of a more awake state. Previously, I have tried to work in, a room that had, really sort of dim lighting, such as my bedroom, and that really didn't help and was not conducive to helping me focus and concentrate. So absolutely agree.
Yeah, I think so too. And also I think from a therapy point of view, when we're working one-to-one, from a speech point of view at the very least, if I'm trying to do something like speech sound work and I can't actually see the child's face clearly, that often makes it very hard and frustrating for both the child and myself. And you are right in that light just makes us feel more awake, how we feel better on sunny days. And it's the same for children. So if the surroundings are bright and more cheery, they are more likely to be energetic, I think, with the environment.